Morning, everybody. How we doing? How is everything? I am Oginni Ayoola, your online power academic facilitator. I am here again. You see me in the classroom this morning. Meaning we are going to our calculation this morning. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to talk about load assessment and energy audits and where we use them. And this one will now lead us to the calculations on how you can calculate your billing and your consumption in a particular month for a particular building. In case you are feeling that maybe a disco or the company is overcharging you or overbilling you, or maybe you want to control what you're actually using in a month. You know what I'm saying? So, and the only thing you can do is just follow our calculations, and you'll be able to calculate whether you have meter or not, or you want to actually confirm whether your traditional meter is moving faster or not. Follow us with these small calculations. So I said load assessment is just the systematic evaluation of electrical demand in your building. Systematic evaluation. When I say evaluation, just normal. How many AC do I have in my house? How many fans do I have in my house? How many TV and how many this and how many that one? That's what systematic evaluation of everything you have in your building. So that is what we call load assessment. Why energy audit is just the systematic inspection or analysis of energy consumed in a particular location. So now in my own house now, what I consume will be different from what you consume in your house. So there's a way you calculate it in case maybe you have been overbilled. Why are they giving me crazy bill? You can actually sit down on the higher side. What am I actually consuming in a month? So now we'll go to the calculation part of it now. Look at your house. What are the appliances you have, like the TV, microwaves, radio, whatever of everything that you have in your house. You calculate everything together, add them. That one will give you total kilowatt of what you are using. And mind you, all our equipment are rated in wattage, in watts. So now if you see fan, maybe 15 watts, I remember our boiling, they say it's 1000 watts. So the one now, you know your wattage. And you know what is what? Ampere times what? Voltage, meaning current and voltage. That's the wattage. But let us just go into calculations and you understand what I'm trying to say. So for the calculation aspect, you can see it on the board there. Let's assume I have one fan in my house. I have one energy saving fridge, AC, TV, microwave. Let's assume this is everything I have in my house. So what you want to do is you want to calculate everything you have in your house at maximum. So I have one fan, which is, if you check the back of all our equipment, all our appliances, you will see their wattage behind them. So you go to Google, you know the wattage. From the Google, I have 75 amps, 75 watts. Energy savings, I have two number, which is 40 watts. Fridge, I have one, which is 350 watts. And for AC this, for TV this, for microwave this. So what I did is I multiply and I added everything together. So when I added everything together, this is everything they gave me. It's 2731 watts. So when I convert it to kilowatts, so meaning this is what I'll be consuming at maximum in case I run all this thing down in 1 hour. So multiply by 1 hour, which is what? 2.73 kilowatts in 1 hour. That's my consumption for 1 hour. So as I was saying, that is what we have in 1 hour. Assuming I'm a band B customer, so which is these are our band. For band A customer, you're entitled to use 20 hours, band B 16 hours at minimum, band C 12 hours, band D 8 hours, and band E 4 hours on the minimum. So let's assume I'm on band B. So meaning this is the total consumption in kilowatt hour 2.75 multiplied by how many hours am I getting in 1 day times 30 days in a particular month. So everything is going to give me is going to be 1296, which is my kilowatt hour, multiplied by my unit band. So this is amount per unit for my band. So I multiply this one by my total unit in 1 month. So this one will give me the naira value of this. So now if I multiply it in 1 month, it's going to give me 1832 naira 944. That's the total amount of money I have consumed. But they need to add the VAT to it. So VAT is just 75% of this month, which is 62208. Multiply it to it. So now on the maximum, if all those appliances I wrote at the beginning of this thing is everything I'm actually using at the same time, this is what I should be expecting to be paying in a month. So you can go through this calculation again and calculate, okay, how much have you been using? So why am I even paying less? Why am I even paying more? Or maybe somebody even stealing from me. Because at times you see that you can't trust some neighbors. They might be stealing from your supply without you knowing. But with this little calculation, go over it again, you understand why you are paying more, or why you can need to control even your consumption in your house. So know which one are you not using, which am I supposed to control. Then at the end of the day, you will see that you have peace of mind. So you won't say maybe somebody is giving you crazy bill. You know you actually used the supply. So if I have any question, just come to my comment section. Let's continue. So in the next class, we'll continue on this. In case you have a transformer, you want to use a clamp meter, or you want to go to the source to use a clamp meter to calculate from the load reading and the rest. We'll go to do that one in the next class. So bye for now. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.